A flash flood is a rapid flooding of low-lying areas, washes, rivers, dry lakes and depressions. It may be caused by heavy rain associated with a severe thunderstorm, hurricane, or tropical storm, or by meltwater from ice or snow flowing over ice sheets or snowfields. Flash floods may also occur after the collapse of a natural ice or debris dam, or a human structure such as a man-made dam, has occurred before the Johnstown flood of 1889. Flash floods are distinguished from regular floods by having a timescale of fewer than 6 hours between rainfall and the onset of flooding. Flash floods are a significant hazard, causing more fatalities in the U.S. in an average year than lightning, tornadoes, or hurricanes. Flash floods can also deposit large quantities of sediments on floodplains and can be destructive of vegetation cover not adapted to frequent flood conditions. Flash floods can be caused by a number of things, but is most often due to extremely heavy rainfall from thunderstorms. Flash floods can occur due to dam or levee breaks or mudslides, debris flow. The intensity of the rainfall, the location and distribution of the rainfall, the land use and topography, vegetation types and growth or density, soil type, and soil water content all determine just how quickly the flash flooding may occur and influence where it may occur. Urban areas are also prone to flooding in short time spans, and sometimes rainfall from the same storm over an urban area will cause flooding faster and more severe than in the suburbs or countryside. The impervious surfaces in the urban areas do not allow water to infiltrate the ground, and the water runs off to the low spots very quickly. Flash flooding occurs so quickly that people are caught off guard. Their situation may become dangerous if they encounter high, fast-moving water while traveling. If people are at their homes or businesses, the water may rise quickly and trap them, or cause damage to the property without them having a chance to protect the property.
Oh my God! देखिए दोस्तों, और देखिए जेटी को देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं। Oh my God!
Mm.